WBP stars. I am Kari Thorsteinsson, head chef at Dill restaurant Reykjavík, Iceland. Here I'm going to do the current main course on the 7-course menu. Here we have some crushed potatoes, been lightly pressed with a bit of butter. On top of that you have pickled wild angelica stems. For people who don't know what angelica is, it's a very common Scandinavian herb. Grows basically everywhere. Here we have the juice from the pickled angelica, which I dress my salad with. On top of that I got some grass oil. The grass oil is made out of wheatgrass. Just lay that carefully there. And with that garnish we serve a glazed piece of lemon sole. On top of that we have some wild chickweed. And the sauce is quite heavily caramelized fish stock with grass oil. There you have it, the main course at Dill restaurant, Iceland.